Welcome to KaiScissors.com. I'm DIY designer Jane Monzures. KaiScissors wants you to have the best tools and wants to offer you the best value. So today we're talking about the three-piece sets. There are several different three-piece sets. The first is the GS1. This set comes with black handles and is our most popular set. It has an 8-inch and a 5.5-inch scissors and a 4-inch needlecraft scissors. This is a great set for everyone and also makes a great starter set. Now, because we all have different personalities, the scissors also come in fun colors. So the next three-piece sets are the GS2 and the GS3. They come in Very Berry or True Blue and include an 8-inch, 6.5-inch, and 5.5-inch scissors. Next, our flagship set is the GS7. This set has 3 of the 7000 series scissors with the smoothest, sharpest blades in high carbon steel. You'll get an 8-inch, 6-inch, and 4.25-inch scissors. And finally, if you got excited watching our video about serrated scissors, our next set is the GSP. They come in lavender, and you get an 8-inch, 6-inch, and 4.5-inch serrated scissors with this set. So pick your favorite three-piece set today. KaiScissors.com wants you to have the best tools for all your sewing projects. So for sharp, smooth, fatigue-free cutting, you'll find what you need right here at KaiScissors.com.